Hello! Welcome to another First Contact Polymer how-to video. Today we are going to be cleaning a mounted prism. A lot of customers ask if you can clean a mounted vertical optic or instrument optic with First Contact Polymer. The answer is yes, but the application process is different. Instead of pouring the polymer onto your optic like normal, we are going to instead heavily coat an FCB1 brush with First Contact and gently dab it onto the prism. The technique to this is to make sure that you're dabbing, not brushing the polymer onto your mounted optic. We recommend using a piece of scratch paper or a business card underneath the brush to catch any accidental drips. When you are finished coating your optic, wait 30 minutes for it to dry completely. Then dab a tiny little bit of liquid polymer on the edge of the dried polymer film and place a piece of mesh on it. Then put even more on top of the mesh to completely embed the mesh between two layers. Let that dry again before you peel it off, or you can leave it on as long as you please to keep it protected. When you do remove it, it will reveal an atomically clean, contaminant-free surface. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of your day.